Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to import your own PC games to the GameHub app. Make sure you have the version 5.3.5 or another one that is compatible to install these PC games. Go to import games, then you will open your files. Go where is your game. In this case I'm gonna go install the Tetris Effect. Here I'm opening the file. You are gonna look for the installer. Here is the installer. You are gonna click it and click confirm. The game will be installed. Then you have to open the game. Then you just open the game and that's it. The game will start installing. It will start downloading the files that it needs to boot. Here is launching the game. In this case, this game asked me to install C++ and some Unreal Engine stuff, and actually it got caught up and it got like an error. It got stopped there and it didn't finish installing ever, so I had to close the emulator, and I will show you the setting that I changed in order for the game to work perfectly. Here is the setting I was telling you. Here is what it's asking me to do for. It is asking me to install the NetFramework 4. Then it just stopped there. It does nothing. So I had to close the emulator, and I will show you right now what I had to do. Then you just close the emulator in case that this happened to you, and I will show you what you have to do. You have to come back here. You are gonna close the game hub and open it again, and there you are gonna go to the three dots on their game. You are gonna head to compatibility, then to compatibility layer, and change from Proton 7 to Proton 11. Then you are gonna go back and just open the game like nothing. Just open the game and the game will boot perfectly. Here I am opening the game, and you will see it runs perfect. Now I am advancing the game at 2x, so you don't have to wait a long time. But here is the game booting here. And this is a small gameplay, guys. I hope you like it, the tutorial, and basically that's it. I will leave the link where I show you how to install this special version of the GameHub app, and I hope you like this and the other tutorials. Then I will be making a full tutorial about the GameHub app. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.